Morning everyone, we are on day 11, is it?
Yes, 11, yeah, day 11.
I'm losing track of days. And we are still tackling the kitchen.
Yeah.
It's so well fixed in, isn't it?
It is, he was a carpenter, so we'll come round and show you round here. As you can see, I've started getting a lot of bits out, but we've got these units here and around the side there, and the sink to get out today. As I said, he was a carpenter.
Yeah, well, really well
and
fixed
so like
in.
he actually built it in, and so we're trying not to destroy it because we're going to be giving away because someone wants them for a workshop. So we'll put you on time lapse again, guys, and we'll catch you in a little while.
See you later, bye.
see, we've stripped out most of the kitchen and managed to get the sink out, and I did get a little bit wet doing it. But if you're going to take the sink out, it's ideal if you get one of these type of wrenches. I've got this sort of like piece on the top, because they allow you to get up around the back of the sink and undo that nut, because you've got such a narrow gap there. And then what they did with this one, they put a piece of wood on the wall which made it even narrower, so it was really hard. So basically what I did is I turned off the mains water first. I undone the hot water and cold water, turned it on just to make sure there's no mains water coming out, and then I let the hot tank run out, because this has got a hot tank system, not a combi boiler at the moment. So I let all the tank release all the water and get rid of the water in the tank, so nothing was coming out of the taps before I obviously disconnected the tap. And then I've took off the sink and I've reconnected the taps back on, so we've got some water so we can have a cup of tea. So these units, we try to be a bit careful, but I've had to smash a few up on here, but someone's going to pick these up and they're going to use them in their garage for you know, storage and so on. So we're basically going to get these. So the good thing is that we haven't charged anything for them, but we've done them for free to take away. But that saves us money, because it means we haven't got to put them in a skip and pay for them to take away. So if ever you're doing anything like taking out old kitchens and that, if you just put them on Facebook Marketplace, you'll find that loads of people will be. We've had about 10 inquiries for these kitchen units, because we're not charging anything, but it does us a favour, because it gets rid of it and we haven't got to pay for it. So again, we'll put you on time again, guys, and show you the next bit of what we're doing. Thanks.